Hey guys, it's Ravi from daStash. If you guys know, we used to be Gamer Kicks and now we're daStash, but Yeezys. Let's talk about it.
I am a menace. Keep me a reg, I like
Today we got the Yeezy 350 V2 Blacks. These actually just restocked last Friday, and as we know, retail is $220. Of course, I was able to get a 9.5, for someone. This is gonna go as a gift, so shout out to that person. That is, they did it with a perfect colorway on the greatest soloist that I guess. Now Stitch. Sorry about that. Stitch is all good now. Right, Stitch? Boom. So like I was saying, Adidas just executed perfectly on this one with this silhouette because it's a great colorway. Like, I could wear that any day. It's just like the cream, black and white. It's such a neutral color that just kind of works with everything. Now anyone can wear a black shoe versus the other ones like the glow in the darks or the semi-frozens or even the clays. You got a lot of colors there, and some people kind of get turned off with those colors. And don't get it, those shoes are amazing shoes too, but I think they just did this shoe at the perfect time. And like, the only downside, I guess, and this kind of affects the reselling community, originally it kind of is a little bit further down. They're still going for like $300, $350. I'm glad they really restocked this shoe because this shoe is so nice. So the shoe itself will also appeal to a lot bigger demographic. Whereas this is the 350 V2 model. Always know this shoe is very comfortable. Of course, your classic boost on it at the bottom. Can't go wrong with that. Similar to the previous bright colorway where they had the black and the red. But this is the new modern look to it, and I think it will be available. So if you guys made it this far, make sure you guys subscribe, follow us on all the medias, and as always, it's Ravi with daStash.
Keep on it, keep on it.